more music into our classrooms.
I'm aware we've gone over time, but if you'd like, we can go over a quick kind of example of what this might look like.
Okay.
Yeah? Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So as you guys are talking about your backgrounds and what you're hoping to get out of the session, some of the themes that came through were around self-belief, independence, clapping back, self-expression, comfort, and values. Was there anything in particular out of that list that really lit you up?
Self-expression.
Self-expression. Okay, cool.
And hope.
And hope. Cool. Okay, so I have a very, I don't know, I've got a list of isms that I use. And the first ism, when I say ism, I like little quips that I like to use. Emma-isms, I'll call them. One of my Emma-isms is dig deeper, right? So when we talk about self-expression, I know what it is, but can you show me with your words what that actually means to you? If you were talking to your 10-year-old self, how would you encourage your 10-year-old self to express yourself? This is a question for anybody.
Specifically through music?
Nope, just blanket statement. If you were to meet 10-year-old Paula, what would you say? What advice would you give 10-year-old Paula when it comes to self-expression?
Like to present myself to others without fear and use my words and know your value, know your identity. And for those who value you, to connect, to share ideas, to listen to them, collaborate, and just to build those relationships, knowing each other. If you like music, if you like writing, if you like dancing, whatever the connection is, just to build that with confidence. And if someone doesn't understand what you like, just be respectful and keep trying.
Okay, cool. I paraphrased that, but I like it. Okay, now when it comes to hope, what does that look like?
Looking at the bright side of things, being excited about what's going to happen.
Okay, what else? Anybody? If you have an idea about hope, what does hope look like?
So personally, relating it to music, I work in, my school has like 63 languages in it.
Cool.
And I have a lot of students in my class that speak Spanish and a lot that speak English and a few that speak French.
Mm-hmm.
And we sing a Letter of the Week song, and we sing it in both English and French.
Awesome.
I'm sorry, English and Spanish, not French.
Okay,
I'm
cool.
working on the French part.
Love that.
And it's just really cool to see the students who came in at the beginning of the year speaking zero English or zero Spanish, and they can now sing this song like unprompted in both English and Spanish. So just like that brings hope to me, just like, oh, I am actually teaching them something and they are getting something from this, and they're relating the music to their learning.
Cool. Awesome.
Yeah, and that, you know what, that's communication. Think of the communication doors you're opening up.
Oh yeah, and I mean, I have one kid that loves to sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider in Spanish, and then another kid will like respond in English. with the Timothy Spider song. So it's really cool to see that communication,
I love
through
that.
music.
I love that. So if we were to break that down, like summarize all of what we just talked about in one sentence, what would we say? About self-expression and hope.
Well, about self-expression, I can say just be yourself.
Okay. And how can we bring hope into this?
Yes.
Can we say, think about the future without fear?
Cool. Okay.
With hope? Mm-hmm.
Love this. So let me sing for you what you just did.
Okay. Wait.
That's not right. That's not right either. Do we like that?
I can't hear it.
You can't hear it?
No, we can hear it.
Oh no! Gosh. You can't hear that at all. This is where Zoom sucks.
Tap it. Just tap it, Roberto.
Okay. How about I do this? I will tell you your lyrics, and then I will record something and I will send it to Beverly, and you can then giggle at what you've just written. Okay? Cool.
Okay.
So your lyrics are: have no fear, use your words, know your value and identity, connect with those who see you, share ideas and collaborate confidently. Look at the bright side of things, get excited about what's to come, embrace your strengths and share diversity. It all comes back to communication. The chorus: be yourself and embrace the future with no fear. Be yourself and embrace the future with no fear. Be yourself and embrace the future with no fear. Be yourself and embrace the future with no fear. What do we think?
Very nice.
And if my guitar was coming through, you'll be able to hear that in song. Maybe I can you still talk, can you hear my voice as I'm playing guitar?
We can hear you. It's fine.
Okay.
I don't know why the guitar isn't coming through.
It's a Zoom malfunction. I forgot. I haven't used Zoom for so long that anyways. Have no fear. Use your words. Know your value and identity. Connect with those who see you. Share ideas and collaborate confidently. Look at the bright side of things. Get excited about what's to come. Embrace your strengths and share diversity. communication. Be yourself and embrace the future with no fear. Be yourself and embrace the future with no fear. Be yourself and embrace the future with no fear. Be yourself and embrace the future. There we go.
Hey, bravo.
And that is
Yay!
songwriting in action, y'all. Okay, any other questions, comments, or insults?
Thank you.
What is your favorite thing of what you do?
Ooh, that's a tough question. My favorite thing about what I do. I love the aha moments.
Oh,
Yeah. I love having my clients leave and think, I get it now. Or I feel seen, or that clicked.
mm-hmm.
That makes me happy.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah. I mean, it's the same way for like my own original music. You know, if people feel seen, validated, acknowledged, connected because I played a song that they connect with, that's also pretty awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, well, thank you, Emma G.
Thank you. Yes, this was fun.
Questions for Emma G. And thank you all for being here. Thank you. Lots of good ideas. I'm going to try to work with incorporating the color into the music.
Love
Yeah.
Love that.
Well, that was an aha moment for me.
Excellent.
Thank you. It was a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Paolo.
Thank you.
We have a good evening.
Mhm.
Likewise, friends.
Thank you.
Have a good night, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the night.
You do the same.
Be safe.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
See ya.
Wonderful.
Yes. Thanks.
Thanks.
To Emma.
Thank you.
Mhm.